Fani Willis's personal life. Willis was born in Inglewood, California. Her father, John C. Floyd III, was a founder of a faction of the Black Panthers. When Willis was in the first grade, her family moved to Washington, D.C., where her father practiced law as a criminal defense attorney. Her parents divorced, and her mother eventually moved back to California. Willis mostly stayed with her father. She graduated from Regina High School in Maryland, an all-girls Catholic high school that closed in 1989. Graduating cum laude in 1993. Then she moved to Atlanta to attend Emory University School of Law. Willis studied political science at Howard University, graduating in 1996 with a Juris Doctorate. Her first government job was as a solicitor, prosecuting misdemeanors and city ordinance violation. She spent 16 years as a prosecutor in the Fulton County District Attorney's Office. Her first most prominent case was her prosecution of the Atlanta Public Schools cheating scandal. Willis, an assistant district attorney at the time, served as lead prosecutor in the 2014 to 2015 trial of 12 educators accused of correcting answers entered by students to inflate the scores of state-administered standardized tests. 11 of the 12 were convicted of racketeering under Georgia's RICO statute in April 2015. In 2018, she went into private practice. That year, she ran for a seat on the Fulton County Superior Court and lost. In 2019, Willis became Chief Municipal Judge for South Fulton, Georgia. On the day she took the Georgia bar exam, Willis met Fred Willis, who was working an extra job as a videographer. They married in 1996 and have two daughters. They divorced in 2005. Willis said that she has been in a relationship with Nathan Wade since 2022.
Do you think prior to November 1st of 2021, you were at the condo more than 10 times?
No, sir.
So it'd be less than 10 times?
Yes, sir.
So if phone records were to reflect that you were making phone calls from the same location as the condo before November 1st of 2021, and it was on multiple occasions, the phone records would be wrong?
If phone records reflected that, yes, sir.
They'd be wrong.
They'd be wrong.
But Trump's team says analysis of that cell phone data from Wade's phone allegedly demonstrates that he visited Willis at her home at least 35 times in the months before his appointment and in the weeks immediately after she had appointed Wade to the special prosecutor position.
I'm asking you whether or not prior to November 1st of 2021, there was a romantic relationship with Mr. Wade. That's very simple. It's either a yes or a no.
I don't consider my relationship with him to be romantic before that.
But the Trump team alleges phone records of Wade's that they presented last week allegedly show that prior to November of 2021, on multiple occasions, Wade arrived late at night and stayed into the early morning hours. Willis responded by asking the judge to exclude the phone records, saying in a statement, quote, "The records do nothing more than demonstrate that Special Prosecutor Wade's telephone was located somewhere within a densely populated multiple-mile radius where various residences, restaurants, bars, nightclubs, and other businesses are located."
You and Mr. Wade met in October 2019 at a conference?
That is correct. And I think in one of your motions you tried to implicate I slept with him at that conference, which I find to be extremely offensive.
I don't know. What do you think? Does their relationship matter in the case of Donald Trump? Do you think she is fit to manage the prosecution? Or do you think Willis and Wade are lying about anything? Comment to fill me in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help my channel grow. More videos coming soon.